Alright guys, what is up? It is Timeless Kicks back with another video. And for today's video, I just have a personal pickup. And I know that as a sneaker reseller, a big no is buying personals for yourself, but I can't help it. To be completely honest with you, reselling sneakers is really just to fuel my addiction for sneakers itself. I just love sneakers, and honestly, most of the money I make goes towards my personal pairs. So hate me and that's fine. I definitely acknowledge that it is a problem. Buying personal pairs is a problem, but I couldn't pass up on this deal. So I imagine by the thumbnail you guys know what I am unboxing. We have got the Jordan 1 Atmospheres, also known as the Bubblegums. So these originally released back in December of 2021, didn't hit on those. And today, actually April 13th, there was a Jordan reserve for these, and I tried to get these, took a fat L. But it made me feel better because I heard that there was only like 526 pairs on this restock, so it's okay that I took an L. But conveniently, the sneaker store right by my house actually put this pair up for sale on their story. Now these are a used pair, but let me tell you, these are the cleanest used pair I've seen in my entire life. So let's just take a look at them. So these are a women's exclusive, meaning that they are in women's sizes. So I got these in a 9.5 women's, 8 men's. So if you open it up, we just have the paper right here. It just has Jordan in cursive in a silver color right there. And here we have it, guys, the Jordan 1 Bubblegums. So we'll just take a look at the shoe a little bit. So it comes in like a midnight navy almost. On the toe box, we have that tumbled leather mid, and then the heel of it is patent leather. Some people didn't like the fact that these are actually navy. Me personally, I think it complements the pink really nicely. I've never been a fan of pink, just don't really like it. But this is a very, very subtle pink, and I think that these are going to be an awesome sneaker to rock in the summertime. That's why I got them. Like I said, these are a used pair, but the bottoms are extremely clean. You have all the stars on the toe, no heel drag whatsoever. The laces are in absolutely beautiful condition. This is an extremely well taken care of used pair. This is probably only worn once and maybe for like a half hour. The store by my house put these up for a price of $200. For a Jordan 1 that has a little bit of resale value, I cannot complain with that price whatsoever. I can't complain at all for picking these up for resale. As you can see right here on the right shoe, you actually have a darker pink to represent like bubblegum, like stepping in some bubblegum. And I think the story behind this is just because Michael Jordan just always loved chewing gum all the time. So I think that's what this colorway is based off of. This is just, I mean, there is absolutely no creases on the toe box whatsoever. There is no markings anywhere on the sneaker, and like I said, like getting these for $200 is insane. Retail price is $170. That's only $30 over retail, and it is an extremely clean pair. So if there's any takeaways from this video, it is to buy used sneakers, because that is where you can save a whole lot of money. Now the only thing about this pair is it did not come with the white laces, and I just realized that. It is laced with the navy, which I think I would end up keeping anyways, but you can also switch them out for pink. There was a third lace color, which is white, which I was thinking about doing, but obviously now I don't think I'll lace them with white because I only got one pair. But that, I mean, I can't complain whatsoever. And it also came with the tag as well. Very, very excited for this pair. Cannot wait to rock these. I personally think that this is an incredible colorway. I really, really dig this. Yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you think that I got a steal, and let me know if you hit on the Jordan Reserve app. I did not go for the Marinas or the Brotherhoods today, just don't really like those colorways. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.